Hi everybody, welcome to my channel Route 164. Today I want to review this box of Johnny Lightnings, and it's a case of wheeled warriors, and it's a release from 2019, release 2, and there you can see the case code. And let's have a look inside. It's all about Jeeps and Hummers. So let's have a look at the first one. There's the packaging. Let's adjust it a little bit more. There's the packaging. Wheeled Warriors. And it's one of 2004 pieces. And this is a cargo troop carrier. And this is the version B, the dirty version. I do like the dirty versions better than the clean versions. There's the back of the car. The top. There are some facts if you want to read them. It's a metal base, rubber tires, painted base, and even the tires are a little bit dirty. Let's have a look at the back of the packaging. There's the number. And there's a little bit more info. And there's the whole series. So that's the first one. Let's have a look at the next one. And there it is. Also 2004. And this is Korean War Willys Jeep. There's the front. There are some facts if you want to read them. Back of the car. There is a little bit of the interior. And the base. Same packaging as the other one. Let's have a look at the next one. That's a nice one. And that's a Dodge ambulance. World War II. Also 2004 pieces. Same packaging. But this is a very nice old version with rust and dirty wheels. Nice heavy piece. And a very nice truck. I have several versions of this one. There are some facts if you want to freeze it and read it. Nice piece. There's the base. Okay, next one. And that's Armament carrier, but it looks like a hammer. Same as the first one, was also a hammer. Nice version. Different color of the doors. Let's have a look at the base. Nice base. Rubber tires, of course. Top of the car. Same packaging. Okay, let's have a look at the next one. And it's also a very nice one. It's a Dodge command car from World War II. WWII 57 type of the car. Very nice dirty version. Front of the car. And the back side of the car. There's the top. And the base. Rubber tires. Same packaging, all the same amount. Not much made. One of 2004. It's a small release of cars. And the last one. Let's have a look. And that's a Jeep Willys. Same packaging. Also 2004 pieces. There you have some facts. And this is a nice version with, I think it's snow on the hood and on the top of the car. Snow on the tires. Nice version. There's the front. And the base of the car. So that's the whole set. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.